Cleaning up incorrect data is a complicated but necessary task. The more you put it off, the worse your data will get. Before you know it, poor data quality hurts your business and the analysis based on this data. Fixing poor data in your system is not so simple because it's not clear which areas are affected the most. We've built a data quality control tower that highlights where polluted data is located within your organization, which then allows you to drill down to the root causes of inefficient processes. Where most BI tools only visualize data, every angle performs intelligent analysis across multiple processes, which allow you to take action immediately. The first column deals with transactional data within your supply chain processes. The other three deal with master data and process quality. Let's start with an overview of all polluted open orders. This gauge highlights the total amount of old orders that are still open. These could be actual open orders, but also ghost orders that are not real orders, but only appear like real orders. At 78%, there are plenty of improvements to be made to reach our minimum level of 95%. A detailed overview of the root causes is presented below. This graph details the periods with most open orders and the different types of old orders. We can make significant improvements by dealing with the sales document schedule lines in March 2015 and the purchase requisitions in September 2016. By drilling down on the purchase requisitions, we can see all 75 items involved and the details needed to solve these issues. The next column monitors material master data quality. As we can see here, 96% of the material master data passes all the checks that are put into place. In this example, we have set up a total number of 5 checks, which can easily be customized. Let's look at the reasons why 4% of our material master data doesn't pass the checks and what the reasons are for failing our requirements. Most master data have issues on a number of checks, followed by master data that has wrong product hierarchy and a wrong info record or material group. We can now drill down and find out what these multiple failed checks consist of, so we can take action and make sure our master data passes our checks in the future. The customer master data gauge represents master data of the customers to which products and services are sold. There is room for improvement as only 59% of all master data passes the checks. The most frequent reasons for failed checks are listed below. The main issue can be solved by maintaining the 51 wrong payment terms that are in the system, closely followed by the 46 duplicate customers. When we drill down into our duplicate customers, a complete list reveals all information needed to correct mistakes. The last column deals with vendor master data. The current level is at 44%, which is unacceptable. To understand why the checks failed, this detailed graph ranks the main reasons for not matching the criteria. Solving the duplicate vendors and multiple failed checks will make a massive improvement towards an acceptable percentage of passed checks. This example data quality control tower can be customized in minutes. Every angle has also proven to be a key factor in many successful SAP go-live projects. Now that's being in control. Why settle for less when you can have this kind of insight?